So you have watched countless tutorials to sharpen your After Effects skills. Remember those days when your friends were asking to go out and do some fun, and you destroyed their whole plan to focus on tutorials?
No.
But was that even worth it? In this video, I'm going to show you the best ways to monetize your After Effects skills. And don't worry, I'm not going to say you could become a millionaire by this video, but it will take you one step closer to it. Video editing. Almost 90% of video editors do this mistake that they either join any Discord servers or start sending messages on Instagram. This is bullshit, because most of the clients on Discord are agency owners and they will suck out every drop of your blood. I'm not saying all the agency owners are bad if you are getting paid enough. Then you should stick with them, because then you don't have to worry about finding any clients. But listen, you should only work with those people who lack time in their life. So what you have to do is only target clients who don't have time to grow their personal brand, because they are likely to pay much higher than usual clients. The best thing about them is you can charge a good amount of money for the same edit as $10 to them. But the real question is how you are going to get those clients. So first of all, you have to discipline yourself to make a personal brand, because even if you are the best editor in the universe, no one will know what you are capable of if you haven't shown your skills to the audience. And with time, clients will come up to you to edit their videos, and that's how you will break the cycle of finding clients. After Effects templates. You can create an After Effects template and sell it on Motion Array in Envato Elements or Video Hive. The best thing about this is you have to create it only once, and after that, you can sell it for eternity. This will print you money on autopilot. Just look at this guy. He sold this template which converts 2D photos into 3D for $69. And see this. Almost 26,150 people have bought this template. And if you use maths, then it would become $1.8 million. But in this money, 30% goes to the platform, so you will end with $1.26 million, which is insane. I'm not saying this is easy to do, but it's a great way to make money. In fact, there are professional motion graphics designers working all day and night to make templates. You can create whatever thing you want, like logo templates, slideshow templates, but make sure you create evergreen templates so that people will buy them for the next couple of decades. Otherwise, there's no point in doing so much work if your template gets outdated. Selling presets and mogurts. Just like you, everyone loves presets. You know why? Because they save so much time, and this will help video editors edit faster. You have used trim paths in After Effects at some point, and just like this, there are many properties in After Effects that are used so many times, and we use them every time from scratch. This is stupid. Why don't you create presets for this and save your as well as others' time? See this? There are so many presets available on Envato Elements printing money while they are sleeping. If you have an audience, you can charge a good amount of money selling those presets on your website, just like Finzar, and I'm pretty sure he has made a decent amount of money selling them. If he has made only 5,000 sales, he would have done $680,000. And that's the power of selling digital products. You only have to make this once, and you can sell it as many times as you want. You don't have to worry about stocks, inventory, deliveries, etc. And this will print you money while you are sleeping or doing any other stuff in your life. It's a great passive income, and if you are an introvert or had a hard time finding clients, then initially do this yourself. And when you start making money, hire some more people to build a great income stream. Selling motion graphics footages. Just like the templates, you can also sell computer-generated graphics on Artlist, Envato Elements, Motion Array. So here I opened Envato Elements, and now I selected this stock video, then motion graphics. And here you can see many videos which can be made using After Effects. For example, see this snow loop video, you can easily create it using particle effects. And see this video, it's just something typing on Google. You can easily make this text animation using typewriter preset. You can type popular questions which video editors are searching regularly, like how to make money or something like this. Alright, so I'm moving to the next part, which is YouTube channel. Starting a YouTube channel and sharing your learning could be the best thing you can do in your life. This will open all of your gates for income, but this won't be easy. Personally, it took me around 66 days to get my first 100 subscribers. And believe me, I was so addicted to my YouTube analytics, I can't describe in words. The best part about this is, even if you don't show your face, it's fine. Because most of the time, people are gonna watch the screen, not your face. And this will open gates to all the introvert guys who hesitate to meet with clients on Zoom calls. So the first way you can earn is YouTube page ads. In this case, YouTube will pay you around $4 to $8 per 1,000 views because it's a very niche-based content and it's in the education niche. So people are focusing so much on the tutorial, and that's the time when advertisers will jump to promote their products and you will get paid. Once you build an audience, you will get endless opportunities to make money using this. And the first one is affiliate marketing. Every editor needs a system to work on, and they have seen your editing tutorial, so they get a basic idea of how your system will perform if they buy that. So in this case, you can put your affiliate links in the description and can earn 3.5% of the total sale made using your links. Next one is sponsorships. As your audience grows bigger and bigger, companies will reach out to you to sponsor their products, and you can charge around $50 per 1,000 views. So if your videos usually get 10,000 views, you can make $500 just from sponsorships. But it doesn't mean you start promoting gambling apps. This will destroy your reputation. But if your channel is small in the initial stages, then what you have to do is search for the emails of brands you want to collaborate with and email them. And do it for every one of them. For example, I sent a mail to Epidemic Sound to do a sponsored video, but they said they didn't have any open spots for any sponsored video yet. But they offered me a free 12-month Epidemic Sound subscription, which is around $107. So always remember, always keep knocking on the door because you don't know which door will change your life. Patreon. Patreon is a membership-based platform where creators can receive financial support from their fans and supporters. You can give exclusive perks to Patreon members like project files for tutorials, exclusive tutorials, presets, and much more. It would be a consistent passive income method. Let's look at how much VainMotion earns from Patreon. So here in the About section, it says around 127 paid members. So let's suppose if each membership costs $5, then you will end up with $570, considering Patreon will also take a 10% cut for platform fees. So there are so many ways you can make money if you have an audience. So start making content as soon as possible, because you can do everything wrong, but this one thing can cover up for everything. I don't care on which topic you will make a tutorial, but just start it and you will figure out what you like and what is working on YouTube with time. Freelancing. Freelancing is not easy in the beginning, but on the flip side, it could be one of the best options to make money from After Effects because you can literally sell anything here. Just go to video and animation, and here you can see a lot of things which even I didn't know existed. The best part is, they are in huge demand right now. As I have said, freelancing is not easy. You know why? Because even if you have a lot more skills to fulfill the client's needs, what's the point when no client would be able to see your gig? Even if you have chosen a low-competition niche selling YouTube subscribe buttons or whiteboard animations, I barely get impressions on gigs. Fiverr only promotes those gigs which have some ratings. But it doesn't mean that you can't make a career on Fiverr. I'm going to show you how to succeed on Fiverr by the end of the video. First, make a gig by taking inspiration from your top competitors. Now, search on Fiverr for what people are searching for and use those tags in your gig to expand your reach to wider clients. Now, make a great video showcasing what you are going to offer and make sure it's useful for the targeted client. Now, by doing all this, Fiverr will just give you 5 to 15 impressions per gig. And if you don't do anything, you will get your first order when you are in your 80s. So what you have to do is download the Fiverr app on your smartphone. When you log into your account, click on Preferences and activate this option. Now you will remain online as long as your app is open. But the real question is, how is this going to help you? So let's imagine you are a client and you want your work to be done. You go on Fiverr like a gig and send them a message, but you don't know when they will respond because there are people from around the world. Maybe it's 2 a.m. for them and they are sleeping. So clients apply the filter for only active sellers. And here, your gig will jump, breaking through all the gigs to the top, increasing your chances of getting an order. If you want a dedicated video on Fiverr, then tell me in the comments section. And if you are a beginner in After Effects, then you must check out these lifesaver tips and tricks.